So these are the 3 apps that I use every day to make a full-time income, and I'm gonna start with the one I make the least with and then go all the way up to the one that I make the most with. So the first one is going to be Observa. This one is going to be the least busy one, but they're gonna pay like 3 to 4 times as much as the other 2 apps, so it's definitely worth having on your phone to check every day to see if there are some of these high-paying gigs available. This app pays in PayPal cash right into your PayPal within a couple of days. So there are going to be a couple different types of gigs on this app. The ones that I wouldn't do are going to be anyone that says merchandising, or when you click on the gig, it'll say you're required to speak with a store manager employee. So if you're just starting out at these type of gigs, I would definitely not start with one of these. And for me, someone who does these type of apps as a full-time income, I just completely ignore and skip these. Which ones do I recommend doing? I recommend doing the category photo audits. All you're going to have to go do is go there, take a picture of different aisles of the store. You don't have to talk to any employees. You can get in and get out. So this one pays $17, and it usually takes me about 10 or 15 minutes depending on the size of the Walmart liquor store. These ones are going to be at Walmart liquor stores or like Total Wine big liquor stores, and you'll literally have to take a picture of the whole aisle of every type of liquor. Vodka, rum, stuff like that. Once you get good at these apps, you'll be able to take these pictures really fast. So even though it seems like a lot of pictures, it actually goes really fast. And $17 is really good for about 20 minutes to a half an hour of work while you're still learning how to do it. That's like over $30 an hour if you could do a lot of these. And in my area, there are a lot of Walmarts, so I could do like 3 or 4 of these in a day without driving too far. Then there's going to be alcohol ones and category ones. Both of them are good. Depending on the store, it may take a little bit long, but expect to be able to get these done within a half an hour. Make sure you take your picture straight and read all the instructions. I've gotten 8 of these denied. I almost gave up on the app, but kept going, and then now I get them approved every time, and it's definitely worth it for $12 to $20 for these short gigs. Usually these alcohol category photo audits will start at about $12, but if no one does them in your area, which they're not going to because it's not a very popular app and I'm the only one making videos about it, then they could go up to $18. The highest I've seen them was $22. So it's definitely a legit app that you can make a lot of money with. Just check it every couple of days. The gigs do drop, just not as often as the other ones that I'm going to mention, and that would be Mobi. This one, if you download it now, there's going to be gigs that are very close to you. There are going to be gigs available in your area that you could go do and make money right away. Well, not really money, because this app pays in gift cards. Observa pays cash through PayPal. This one, you have to cash out your points. So now I could cash out $40 worth of any of these gift cards. They have Visa gift cards. They have Amazon gift cards. So it's pretty much stuff that you're going to spend money on, or the Visa gift cards. Pretty good, pretty similar to cash. So let's see what's available. So right now it's a little bit slow because I did all the ones in my area, but here at Target you can make $12. This one's going to have more in-store mystery shops. So you on the Mark mission, you go there and then you ask questions like, what's the best streaming device, either the Roku or the Amazon Fire Stick. Really easy. This will be about $12 in less than 15 minutes. But there are also photo audits on this app as well. So this one, Grain and Freeze, I did about 20 of these gigs. $7. You're just gonna have to take some pictures of rice products and take pictures of the shelf of refrigerated, ready to cook meals. So a lot of random stuff. Don't do the ones that say 0 points, but these ones here, space, that's literally $7.50 to go to Walmart and take a couple pictures of the Meta headsets and the Meta glasses. Super easy, and then you could cash out your points for these various gift cards. I've done 418 of these gigs. I do one almost every day, and if you multi-app with this app, Observa, and the next app that I'm going to tell you about, you'll always have something to do in most areas, and that is Field Agent. This one, the gigs will drop throughout the day, so make sure you refresh it a lot. A lot of times with Mobi, if there's gigs there, they will be there for a while because it's not as popular, but these ones will go super fast, and they will pay anywhere from $3 all the way up to $20, but don't let that discourage you because the $3 ones really add up because a lot of times there'll be 10 $3 gigs at the same store, so that's like $30, and you could do it in like a half an hour. So today, these are the ones that I did today. Most of them are going to be in the shelf view. So you're just going to give them a view of the shelf, take straight on pictures of the whole shelf and the displays. And some of them were literally 1 or 2 pictures, like the pesticide and herbicide at Sam's Club. They only had a couple of products. So these $3 ones could take anywhere from like 2 minutes all the way up to a half an hour, depending on the store, but they do add up. I recently just cashed out, but I made over $4,000 this year. Definitely a great app that you'll always have work on if you and especially if you multi-app with the other 2 apps I told you about. So watch this video where I give you a full tutorial on how to make the most money in Field Agent, or click the link down below to sign up and start making money today.